Welcome to BuySpares. How to replace a Bosch washing machine door seal. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If the door seal on your washing machine is damaged, leaking, or just full of mould, this video will show you how to replace it. Open the door and check the door seal for damage and mould. Release the outer clamp around the door seal and push the seal inside. Drop the filter panel down and take out the screw inside the kick panel. Slide the kick panel to the side to release. Remove the screws in the front panel of the bottom . Lift the soap drawer out and take out the screws. Pull the front panel from the bottom to release. Unclip the electrical connection to the door lock and lift the front panel away. Here is the spring holding the door seal onto the tub. Remove the spring. Disconnect the pipe in the top of the door seal and pull the door seal off. When we fit the new seal, use some washing up liquid to help it fit easier. Then line it up and work it round until the new seal is on . The spring can be difficult to refit. If necessary, get an assistant to hold part of the area in place whilst you work the rest into position. Reattach the door lock . Then put the front back on and refit the drawer. We can now fit the outer piece of the door seal around the outer rim of the machine. You may need a little bit of washing up liquid, which will really help with this. Once the seal is in position, just reattach the outer retaining band to finish. Finally, run a test cycle, if required, and wipe after use, allowing the seal to dry out to help prevent mould returning. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.